Today, I am going to talk about a very important topic: how to get success in life. Success is something that everyone wants, but very few people truly understand how to achieve it. Many people think success comes from luck. Some think it comes from money or background. But the truth is, success comes from hard work, discipline, and belief in yourself. Let me share a powerful thought of Swami Vivekananda. He said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." This means once you decide your goal, you should keep working until you achieve it. Now, let me tell you a short story from the life of Swami Vivekananda. When Swami Vivekananda was young, he wanted to spread Indian culture and spirituality across the world. He decided to go to Chicago to attend the World Parliament of Religions in 1893. But his journey was not easy. He had very little money. He faced many difficulties. Sometimes he even had no place to stay. Still, he did not give up. He believed in himself and in his mission. Finally, he got a chance to speak on the stage. When he started his speech with the words, "Sisters and Brothers of America," the whole audience stood up and applauded him. That moment made him famous all over the world. What can we learn from this? We learn that success does not come easily. It comes after struggle, patience, and continuous effort. Now let me tell you the key points to achieve success. First, have a clear goal. If you don't know where you are going, you will never reach anywhere. Second, work hard every day. There is no shortcut to success. Third, believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Fourth, never give up. Failures are part of success. Remember one thing: failure is not the end, it is a lesson. Every successful person has failed many times, but they did not stop. Swami Vivekananda also said, "Take up one idea, make that one idea your life." This means focus on your goal and give your full energy to it. So, my dear friends, if you want to be successful in life, be focused, be disciplined, and never lose hope. I would like to end my speech with a powerful line: "Success comes to those who work hard, believe in themselves, and never give up." Thank you so much. Have a great day.